Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out another special, and this is a beautiful 1966 Chevy El Camino Custom. This one's just very special, beautiful car, very quality, but a lot of really unique factory options, a ton of documentation that come with the car. So the El Camino Custom, it was a 1966 option. You couldn't get an El Camino Super Sport in 1966, but you could get the Custom. It was the higher trim package option. With that, you could get the 396. I think it was the first year they were putting big blocks in El Caminos, and this is one of them. Under the hood, you have a big block, 396. Some of the factory options that come with this that are pretty unique. One's factory air. Power steering, power brakes, but as we get into the interior, we'll also talk about it's got factory knee knocker tack, power seats, power windows.
Disc brakes on the front.
Yep, disc brakes in the front. Really unique car and just well done.
Does have remote mirror as well. Yeah, sweet car. Tell them a little bit about the engine, Dalt.
So we'll go through some of that with the paperwork, but the previous owner documented a ton of history. Looked like he called back many owners and wrote down everything, but the engine's been rebuilt. He stated there that it was the original engine, but when it was rebuilt, it was planed and decked. So the VIN number is no longer on the pad after that rebuild where it was decked.
Yeah.
But
yep. And it's great they do that and get everything all flat and true and excellent.
Balanced,
but the problem is it gets rid of the numbers.
Yep.
So,
but under the hood light, when you look at the trim tag on this Firewall too, you can tell just a really good, clean car. And the undercarriage,
AA paint.
Yep. The undercarriage is real nice and solid too.
So no vinyl top. It was just all original black car.
Yep, black car with factory red interior. So great color combination, great options.
Look at the paint and body on it. I'll let you do this one, Dalt. But besides a couple tiny little things like this, just because it's been driven, you know, very, very minor, but it's laser straight, gorgeous paint. And I love those bumper guards too. The trim and the bumpers look great on it. The stance is outstanding.
Really pretty car and pretty unique too, being that big block car, El Camino Custom. Paint's got an awesome shine. You can see reflection anywhere in that. And then it's black, and that's the right color for this car too, because it's a laser straight. The door fits great.
Yeah, look at that corner of the door, fits perfectly. We open it up. Corner of the door is awesome. Never had any body fill, anything like that on the inside jam. Jam paint's beautiful. Look at the tissue holder too.
Yeah, that's kind of another unique option of this is that tissue box. I hadn't seen that in an El Camino before, so that's pretty unique.
Does that swing out of the way, did you say?
Yeah, it swings.
That's awesome.
Dash is beautiful.
Dome light works. Under the dash lights work as well.
Knee knocker tack. We got power windows, power seats that works.
Got the SS gauges in 66.
You're going to hold this quick?
Yeah,
Here's some of the documentation. We have a whole bunch more inside, but so this talks about, it kind of breaks down most everything in the car.
It's got the wood grain wheel too.
Yeah, it does. He's got all email correspondence, tons of receipts here as well. So this is all receipts here. But this
goes back to 1966 right there. Production codes, all that kind of stuff. Look at the options: power steering, had power drum brakes. It's got disc now, power windows, power bench seat, tilt wheel, wood rim, 2-spoke steering wheel, factory AC knee knocker tack. Wow.
And then he breaks down kind of all the history and everything that was kind of done to it. So every time he replaced or fixed something, he's got that noted down here. So 2010 did the vintage iron restoration, brake conversion, disc brake, spent $5,200 there. Spent a lot of money.
New upper and lower control arm bushings.
2017.
New radiator, hose clamps, belts. I mean,
you look up and down the sides, body's laser straight, real nice finish. And I do like, he did upgrade the transmission. It's got a 4-speed automatic in it now, 700 R4, so a real nice upgrade there.
Go ahead and just undo it this way for now. Oh, look at that. Look at the inside of the box, Dalton.
It's all painted nicely as well.
It's beautiful.
And it does look like it has in the bed there, It's got a
There's that one. Okay, it
little-
was unlocked. Yeah.
there we go.
Just look at the paint inside of the inner fenders and stuff. A couple of scratches, but really, really nice. And this is how it is all throughout, Dalt. See it?
Very nice. This is nice where you can put that in to have a little cup holder there.
Feel little tie downs in there if you want to put your bike in the back or whatever.
Car cover back here.
Good. So the reason that's a kind of a dummy lock over there. So what happens, I think, is this. I think
That's
they
the
probably
lock.
work together.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That tailgate's just gorgeous. You could shave in the paint of the tailgate on it.
It's beautiful. Taillight bezels are nice. Back bumpers been re-chromed or replaced in a restoration. Driver side's real nice and straight. Does have tinted glass here in the back.
When you get up to it, I mean, just the way the back of the hood fits over here is awesome on the driver's side. Again, corner of the door is nice. Beautiful car. You can take to any car show and be super proud of it. And it's also got tilt wheel. We
too.
didn't talk about that, did we?
Yeah, it's nice.
Just the rarity with all these options. It's just unreal. Should we drive it?
Mm-hmm.
Also, go ahead and roll it. Look at the power windows roll up, super smooth and fast. Horn works, wipers work. Oil pressure gauge works. Battery gauge works and gas gauge works. We're at full tank. The knee knocker tack works. She said there's 700 R4 in it.
Original AM radio turns on.
It's AM FM, by the way.
It's got static, but I don't know if you get a station.
Couldn't remember.
It's static, but not much. Hard to ask much more from original AM radio than.
Hey, Ken, you can ask for it to work.
Yeah.
I want to hear Rush Limbaugh on there. All right. Here's your AC, and that
Blows
blows
nice and
cold.
cold.
Okay. Go ahead and let that go for a little bit here. There's your. Oh yeah, it's really nice. Perfect. Is that too loud? You leave
No,
it there?
that'll work good.
Okay. So neutral's still neutral there, but the overdrive is just on the left side of drive, whoever buys it.
Yeah, it's got that 4-speed in there now.
Yep. We already talked about the dome lights, under the dash lights all work when you open the door. Also, when you go ahead and turn the key, same thing under the dash.
Turn the knob.
Yep, turn the knee, actually. Turn the knob.
The key.
We got two of the nicest El Caminos, I think, the 68 and the 66.
Yeah. Yeah, it runs nice too. Just nice, smooth car.
A lot of power. Like you said, if you go through all the paperwork, it's told to be the original engine, all rebuilt.
You have a little
Rock chip right there and right there.
Yeah, little rock chip
Tiny.
right there.
But it's way up in the tin.
Mm-hmm.
Brakes are perfect, didn't pull left or right, got a really nice pedal. Turning signal indicators work on the dash both ways as well. Remote mirror. It's the only thing that's screwed up on
It
it.
doesn't. Yeah, it just has the.
It's got like a dummy.
Yeah,
It's got a
little
normal
dummy
mirror
thing.
on it.
It's got a normal mirror on it now.
This thing hauls ass.
Yeah, it runs good. It's just smooth running car. Nice shift.
Set you right back in your seat at 75, 80 mile an hour. The steering's nice and straight. The suspension feels great. I'm very impressed with it, Dalton.
It's a nice car.
It's got speakers behind us too.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm sure maybe we have to just take that antenna up too, D.
Yeah, it's possible.
You know what I mean? The antenna's not all the way up. Here's your brakes. High-speed braking is perfect.
The car's awesome condition-wise, but it drives and rides just as nice, you know, if not even nicer, which is hard to believe.
And there's just absolutely, whoever gets this one's going to be thrilled. Where do you find much nicer ones, especially the original colors and these options? Big block 396.
That 396 just runs beautifully too, smooth.
Yeah, that's smooth as hell. And it still is pulling at 85.
Yeah.
Again, so I didn't look at her. I'm doing 1,800 RPMs at 70 mile an hour. It tells you a lot about that 4-speed overdrive. 32 when you punch it. Really nice car. The only thing, Dalton, is I don't know yet is our temp hasn't got warm enough.
Yeah,
that's a
Mike
problem
said
this time of year.
Temp gauge, the temp gauge needs some work. Yeah, we'll look at that on our sold ticket. I think we might have ordered something for that. So we'll take a look at that. Other than that, everything else is working currently. So beautiful car. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.